Alright, this is a good one. So, this entire unit, from here all the way up, was a solid block of ice with a pipe burst above. Restoration companies here, they got the heat going, they got everything in the building good. Fix the pipe. They call us out to do a check on this furnace, so it's got definitely got damage, but nothing physical. I mean, everything looks like it wants to work, so we're gonna go through a MeasureQuick and see what this thing's got. Let's go. So, given we don't really know what's up with the system, we're gonna start real quick. Go to R. We're gonna do a polarity check. We'll come up to L1. We got 90, 94. Alright, we're looking good there. Let's go jump this guy out and start moving through the blower sequence here. So we're gonna go R and G. And we're gonna get an amp draw on that bad boy, 7.2. Little spin trick got that motor going. Woo, stinks. Pressure coming in here. Alright, boom. There you go. Now you got your gas pressure in there. And I'm going to capture that induced draft. We're going to wait for our static to come in. I have no filter in the system right now, so it's going to be low. Come on, blower motor. I am impatient today. Today, Junior. Thank you. Alright, we're going to capture this. Total external is 0.4. Submit that. Boom. We're going to clock the meter now. Alright, I'm going to switch out of this and show you what we got. Alright. We got our flame sense right there. We got our draft. We got our manifold. Our inlet. Over here we've got our pressure for return. Hydrometer for humidity. We got our K-type for temperature rise. And our other probe. And then we got combustion analysis still to do. But that's pretty much the get-go with the MeasureQuick. So there you go at the end of it. D-, 32 years old, having manifold pressure issues. I was able to adjust them, but that still was just kept floating around. I couldn't keep it steady. That's basically what you get to provide the customer. A whole breakdown of everything, a report. Really good for situations like this where the system is that old and you can kind of explain to people like, yeah, this isn't worth investing any money into it. But alrighty, I'm out of here.